In this video, you'll learn how to link your bank account to eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully connect your financial institution for receiving payouts from your sales. Begin by logging into your eBay account through the official website or mobile app. After signing in, locate your account profile, which is typically represented by your username or profile picture. Access the account settings section from the drop-down menu that appears. Once in the account settings, look for the payments or payout settings. This area controls how you receive money from your sales on eBay. It is crucial to ensure that your account information is accurate at this stage, as this will facilitate a smooth linking process. Inside the payments or payout section, find and click on the option labeled Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. You will be prompted to provide your banking details, which include your bank name, routing number, and account number. Take a moment to double check this information before submitting it to avoid any errors. Some banks may require additional verification steps during this process. These security checks are in place to confirm that the bank account belongs to you and is valid for receiving payouts. Be prepared for any instructions that may appear to complete this verification. After submitting your bank account details, eBay will initiate a verification process. This may involve sending small test deposits to your bank account or asking you to confirm identity information. Follow the verification instructions carefully to ensure successful setup. Once the verification is complete, your bank account will be officially linked to your eBay account. From this point onward, all sales payouts will be transferred directly to your bank account automatically, streamlining your selling experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.